Problem. Having a problem is not a problem. Having no problem is the biggest problem. Because we miss opportunity. Solve the problem. We welcome the problem. We will solve the problem. We are the problem solvers. The biggest problem. Because we miss opportunity to solve the problem. So we are the problem solvers. We will race to solve the problems. Whole world is looking for problem solvers. So we solve the problems. We welcome the problems. We will solve those problems. Let it be whatever problem it is. We don't care. We are the problem solvers. We will raise ourselves to solve any problem. Today onwards, we are the big problem solvers. Made in India, make in India. Skill India, from school India. No import, only export. Why import? When my boss can export. Happy tinkering, keep innovating. We are the problem solvers. We are the innovators. We will identify the problems. We will find the solution for the problem. We will innovate the solution. We will make the product from prototype to the product. And we will sell the product. We are the entrepreneurs. We will export them. We will save the India. We will care India. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Vignan, Jai Anusandhan. मेरा भारत महान, भारत माता की